Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Ready Steady Eat. Today we are going to make a very famous traditional Bengali mithai which is called Sandesh or Chenar Sandesh. It was called Sandesh because Bengalis practice a tradition of sending sweets or food as a gift to families and friends, and hence the sweet got its name. Before we begin with the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Ready Steady Eat and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's make the chena first. For that, let's heat 1 liter of milk in heavy bottom pan and keep stirring it continuously so that it does not stick to the bottom. Bring it to a boil and add 2 teaspoons lemon juice so that the fat separates just like this. Keep stirring till you get the chena. Strain the chena in a muslin cloth and a sieve and let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes. Now remove the cooled down chena on a plate and knead it properly until it becomes smooth. Make use of the palm of your hand to knead it until it's nice and plain. And at this stage, add in 200 grams of grated jaggery and knead it thoroughly so that the jaggery melts. This is the right consistency of the mixture. Once done, transfer it into a pan and heat it until the moisture evaporates. Now cool it down again and take a lemon-sized portion and shape them into any desired shape. Now use a stencil to make a design on the sandesh just like this. So the beautiful and delicious sandesh is ready to be served. I'm sure you will love this recipe and don't forget to leave a comment below.